Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove titles from continue watching in Disney Plus. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Disney Plus, and now from here just simply click on your profile icon over here and just simply go to my space. And now if we scroll down, as you can see, we should be able to see here our continue watching. So in order for you to remove it, you can just simply go ahead and click on view all over here, and now from here, just simply select a movie that you want to remove. And now you should be able to see here the X icon or the close icon. So just simply click on that. And from there, as you can see, it will be removed from continue watching. And from there, it will be the same process on any other continue watching over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more about Disney Plus. And guys, if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.